are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon and contain carbon-carbon triple bonds. And the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n-2, and the IUPAC name is alkyne. Alk is word root, and word root represent number of carbon atom in the parent chain, and Yn is the primary suffix. And the first member of this series, they put 2 here, 2. The first member is the C2H2, and the carbon के बीच में triple bond आ जाएगा, and this valence is satisfied. And according to this IUPAC name, the word root is 1, 2, this 8th, and Yne. IUPAC name is ethyne. एंड कॉमन सिस्टम के लिए कोई रूल नहीं होता, तो इसका जो कॉमन नेम होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एसिटिलीन्स, एंड द एसिटिलीन गैस is used for the welding purposes. And second member is, and put here 3, this C3, this H4, and this IUPAC name is CS3, this carbon triple bond CH, 1, 2, 3, the word root is prop, and Yn is primary suffix. This is propyne, and this is the common name is, this is the methyl, and this is the acetylenes, this is methyl acetylenes. And next member is, this put is 4, C4, and this H6, this first is, this is CS3, CH2, and this carbon triple bond CH, and IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and word root is but, and position देंगे 1 Yne, and common name is, this is the ethyl, and this is acetylenes, the ethyl acetylenes. And next member is the C5, and this is H8, this CS3, the CH2, this CH2, and this carbon, this triple bond CH, and IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is, this pent is word root, this pent, and this one Yne, and common name is, this is the propyl and propyl acetylenes, this is N propyl acetylenes. So many examples of this alkyne series. Next is the structure and bonding in alkynes. This is the acetylenes. This carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this bond angle is 120 degree, and structure is, this is the linear, and here this is 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds, and this structure of this ethyne is, this is linear. Next is method of preparation of alkynes. The first method is the preparation of acetylenes from calcium carbide. This here, this is the limestones, this is CaCO3, this is the limestone and is known as marble. On heating, give this calcium oxides, and this CO, and this is CO2, carbon dioxide, and This is the calcium oxide, and this calcium oxide react with the coke, and around temperature in electric furnace, the temperature around is 2000 to 3000 degrees Celsius, and from this calcium carbide, and this calcium carbide on hydrolysis to form this acetylene gas, and this is the ethane, and side product is CaOH ka whole twice. This is known as slagged lime, and this is a very important method. Next method is the preparation of acetylenes or ethane gas, ethane, by dehalogenation of iodoform. This dehalogenation means the D stands for the removal, and this iodoform, this is the iodoform CHI3. This is triiodomethane, and this the compound of this color is this yellow color, and react with this silver, and the dehalogenations this form this is acetylenes, and side product is silver iodide. This is the reaction. Next second type method of preparations from this dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. The dehydrohalogenation means D stands for removal, and the removal of the HX, the minus HX, and important reaction is beta elimination. This is the beta elimination, similar to alkenes. This elimination means this removal of leaving group twice, and this two type of this is vicinal dihalides, the vicinal dihalides, and geminal dihalides. The vicinal dihalides, the two halogen atom attached at the same carbon atom, and the geminal dihalide means this vicinal dihalides, that two halogen atom at the adjacent carbon atom, and in case of the geminal dihalides, the two halogen atom attached at the same carbon atom. This is known as geminal dihalides. First is dehydrohalogenation of the vicinal dihalides. For dehydrohalogenations, the alcoholic KOH is specific reagent for the dehydrohalogenation, and vicinal dihalides, the two halogen atom attached at the adjacent carbon atom. This is the vicinal dihalides. This is the vicinal dihalides. This is vicinal dihalides. This is 1,2-dibromethane, and this react with the KOH and release here this CH2 CH and this Br, and further react with alcoholic KOH and remove here this is HBr minus HBr, and from this acetylene gas is formed. Next method is dehydrohalogenation of geminal dihalides. The dehydrohalogenation means the removal of the HX, and geminal dihalide means the two halogen atom at the same carbon atom. This is known as geminal halide. For example, this is CH3, this CH, this Br, and this is Br. This is the geminal dihalides, and react with this alcoholic KOH, and this is the alpha beta elimination. Here this removal HBr, and form this CH2 and this CH, and this is Br, and further react with alcoholic QH, remove this H here, Br minus HBr, and this ethane gas is formed. Next method is the dehalogenation of tetrahalides. The dehalogenation means removal of the halogen. This is the tetrahalides. This is tetrahalides. This is tetrahalides. This is 1,1 and 2,2. The tetra bromoethane. This zinc, and this is Br, and further react with zinc, and on heating this form this zinc bromide, this release zinc bromide, and this Alkynes is formed. Next method is electrolysis of salt of dicarboxylic acid. This is the dicarboxylic acid. This is potassium malate. This is the potassium malate, and this on electrolysis form this malate ion. This is the malate ion. This is malate ion, and this 2K positive, and this at anode this anode loss of electron take place. At anode, this is the malate ion. On lose 2 electrons from this radical, unstable radical. This is the unstable. This is unstable radical. This is unstable, and this unstable radical release carbon dioxide and form this Alkynes and this carbon dioxide. At cathode, the gain of electron take place. This is the potassium positive, take 2 electrons and form this potassium, and on hydrolysis form this potassium hydroxide and liberate this hydrogen gas. Next method is alkylation of the acetylenes, or this 1-alkyne, also called as the terminal alkynes and higher alkynes, can be prepared by this reaction of this acetylenes. This is the acetylenes, and this react with the sodium and or this sodamide in liquid ammonia, and form this sodium acetylide. This is sodium, this is ethylide, this is sodium ethylide, and react with further react with alkyl halides. This X here and this positive, and attack here from this higher acetylenes is formed, and it is an important method.